welcome back to 4 Kids Daily Adventures.
And today we are going to make mochi
For shaved ice.
Yay, let's get started.
1.5 cup of mochi powder.
It looks like it's snowing. We need 3/4 cup of water.
Now we have to mix it. Whoa. Let's make our mochi into balls.
Wait, first we have to wash our hands.
Good idea.
We're back from washing our hands. Now we're gonna grab some and roll it into a ball.
You can make them into tiny balls or ginormous balls.
Depending what mochi you would like. What's the matter with mochi?
It's very squishy.
Oopsie, I made it a pancake. British accent. I can't do a British accent. It's falling apart.
Yeah, it feels like Play-Doh.
We're playing with edible Play-Doh.
Oh no, I keep smashing it.
No! Edible Play-Doh.
Wait, let's see if I can do it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I did another one. Yay.
I did it.
This is going to take a long time. Pour 4 cups of water into a pot. If you're young, then you should have parental supervision. Turn your stovetop to hot and wait till it boils. Now the water is boiling. After your water is boiled, you can put your mochi shapes into the pot so it can turn into actual mochi that you can eat. Now you can put your mochi inside the pot.
Don't put the shapes in yet. Put all the shapes at that. Score!
Hey, some are rising.
Now, we have to put them in cold water.
Mochis are rising. Now we get a scooper and you have to scoop it into the bowl of cold. You should get the ones that are floating.
This is like the way to make a campfire.
Don't forget to turn off your heat. Good. Once we got all the things we need to make your shaved ice so yummy that you can't even believe that you made it yourself. Okay, so if you don't have a shaved ice machine, then I don't know what to do, but you can get a cheese slicer and get a giant block of ice and start rubbing it. So we have a shaved ice machine. So
if you have a shaved ice machine, you must plug it in,
or it won't work.
Wait, did we plug it in?
Make sure you whoa. Okay, it's very loud. Maybe we should move this and turn that around. Good thing it's just ice and water. Okay, I think that's good.
My turn.
You want to press on it? Because there's no more ice. Oops. Wait. Okay. Ready? Go. No, you just push on that. You don't have to push that thing. That's good. Okay. Now, we can decorate it. Now it's for the toppings. I'm so excited.
Yay. Da, da, tap, tap, tap.
Well, wait.
Condensed milk.
Let's dig in.
This tastes so good.
It tastes good.
Maybe you should have it on a very hot day. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
Bye. See you next time on 4
Kids Daily Adventure.